This video is sponsored by Superachi. Today we're going to take a close look at a simple and powerful PDF editor with amazing generative AI tools. Let's be honest, PDF is commonly used in our lives everywhere. UPDF is compatible with all platforms of Windows, Android, macOS, iOS, and iPadOS. Also, it has become the fiercest competitor of Adobe Acrobat. PDF editors for Apple devices are few and expensive. That's why UPDF will be suitable for many users. In this software, we can edit and add the content including text, images, and links, and reserve the original formats perfectly. Few PDF tools on the market support Android editing functions, but UPDF does, and also provide cloud, signature, and can even scan to PDF in iOS. So let's get started. And here we go. Let's open UPDF editor. To get started, first of all, we need to put our PDF file or even image in the utility, in the PDF editor. So for this, we can click here and select our file, or you can manually move the file in the utility. For example, I want to move this file, image, and put it here. Let's discover one very convenient feature: recognize text using OCR. Simply to understand, if you have some file not in the PDF format, which is just image, you can convert it using this feature. So we just need to click on OCR. Then you can select the language. For example, English will be suitable because we by default have English. Then select this feature, searchable PDF. This type of PDF documents has a full text search feature, which is great. Then we can tweak some options here. It's not necessary to do it right now. So I will click on Perform OCR. Then you need to save the file. For example, I will save it on my desktop. Click on Save, converting process, and will allow we successfully convert image to PDF format, which will allow us to edit it in PDF format. Everything is very simple. For example, I will type tutorial. Good. We can edit this PDF file without any problems. Now let's try to put PDF file in our utility. So here we have sample. Literally, it is the same PDF file. If you take a close look, on the right side, you may see OCR, export PDF, protect using password, share this file with others, send file by email, and save as other. And on the left side, we have reader, comment, edit PDF, prepare form, redact, organize pages, crop pages, page tools, thumbnails, bookmarks, and attachments. Let's start from the basic options. If you want to edit your PDF file, you can just click here. Then you can select the text which you want to edit. For example, we will type again tutorial. And here we will type how to install Windows 11. And we can do even some highlights. So we can click on the reader. I will select Windows 11 and then I can select highlights. Then it comes to personal preference. Which color do you want to choose? For example, I can select green or even the yellow one. Great. If there is no need to use this color or you want to just delete highlight, you can click on the right mouse button and select delete. Also, we can use AI tools. For example, I will select how to install Windows 11. Then you need to click here. And from this place, we can translate it to another language. For example, I can translate it to Ukrainian. Now it will translate it. Як встановити Windows 11. I can confirm that it translates everything correctly, or even though we can use the second feature, which calls explain. So we can click on explain. As you can see, it gives us step-by-step guide on how to install Windows 11, which is very convenient. Of course, to use these AI tools, you need to purchase a premium account, but it will all depend on you. In free edition, you can still edit text and use many basic features. After editing, we can save our file. So we can click on File, then we can click on Save As. Also, it's worth noting that you can export file, and even though we have other options, Word, PowerPoint, Excel. If you work with text document, you can also convert it. So just click text document, select export, sample copy 1, click on save. Now we can open it, and voila, as you can see, this is our text document tutorial how to install Windows 11. So yep, it works. My conclusions: UPDF is a good alternative to Adobe Acrobat. It's easy to use and it has many convenient features. By the way, you can download it from the link in the video description.